Dear mushroom grower, through the process of learning how to grow mushrooms, I made a lot of mistakes, but also gained a lot of knowledge and practical experience. Never giving up, I learned how to cultivate healthy, organic, natural mushrooms and at a fraction of the cost of store-bought ones. I soon started having more mushrooms than I could use myself, and so started giving to family and friends, and everybody said that they were the tastiest mushrooms they had ever had. Demand for my organic mushrooms was so high that I started my own mushroom growing business. It was an immediate success and is still one of the top organic mushroom producers in the country. The great thing about growing mushrooms organically is that people are willing to pay you much more for them than what they would pay for non-organic varieties, because today everybody is realizing how harmful pesticides can be. One day, a customer asked me to teach him how to grow mushrooms. I happily showed him. And that's when the idea of teaching people how to grow their own healthy organic, pesticide-free mushrooms was born. A few months down the road, and I created the Mushroom Growing For You system, so you too can stop buying harmful mushrooms from the market but still enjoy eating mushrooms. If you've been watching up to this point, I'm sure you're going to follow the link below to learn more about my system. Thank you for watching.